Welcome, everyone, and thank you for being here today. I'm excited to introduce our topic, building intelligent AI agents with Symantec Kernel. On this first slide, you'll see the main title, along with the subtitle, which highlights how we're harnessing plugins, workflows, and memory to achieve advanced automation and seamless integration. Over the course of this presentation, we'll explore how these components work together to create smarter, more capable AI agents. So, let's dive in and discover what's possible with Symantec Kernel. Let's dive into how Symantec Kernel helps us build intelligent AI agents. This toolkit is quite powerful because it allows us to do much more than just create simple chatbots or perform basic information searches. These AI agents can connect to different AI models and utilize plugins, which essentially extend their capabilities. This means they can handle complex tasks and workflows that go far beyond basic interactions. By following clear, step-by-step guidance, we can create smart AI agents that automate various jobs. These agents don't just interact with users, they also integrate seamlessly with business tools, making them valuable assets for operational efficiency. A key point is the role of plugins. They are crucial because they enable these agents to perform complex workflows and tasks, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Symantec Kernel essentially empowers us to automate jobs and workflows, helping businesses streamline operations and boost productivity. Throughout this presentation, we'll see how building smart AI agents with Symantec Kernel is not only possible, but also highly effective for modern business needs. Let's take a closer look at the key features of Symantec Kernel and how they help us build smarter AI agents. First, there's built-in user identity awareness and safety compliance. This means the system can recognize users and follow corporate safety rules, which is crucial for maintaining security and trust in enterprise environments. Next, we have multi-step workflows. This feature allows agents to execute sequences of tasks, complete with error handling and retries. It ensures that processes are reliable and can recover from issues without manual intervention, boosting efficiency. Memory is another vital aspect. With this, agents can remember past actions and context, enabling them to respond more intelligently and make better decisions based on historical data. This makes interactions more natural and effective. Then there's planning. Complex tasks can be broken down into manageable steps, organized logically, so the agent can handle even intricate projects smoothly. This simplifies execution and improves overall performance. Finally, plugin integration allows us to add new skills and connect seamlessly to external APIs. This flexibility ensures our agents can expand their capabilities and integrate with various systems effortlessly. All these features work together to create more capable, secure, and adaptable AI agents, aligning perfectly with our goal of building intelligent and reliable automation solutions. Let's take a closer look at the supported programming languages and platforms for Symantec Kernel. One of the key strengths here is its broad compatibility, which really ensures smooth integration with a wide variety of systems and workflows. This flexibility means you can adapt it seamlessly to different development needs without much hassle. When it comes to cross-platform compatibility, Symantec Kernel runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. So, whether you're working in a Windows environment or prefer macOS or Linux, you have the freedom to choose the best environment for your project. This cross-platform support broadens your options and makes collaboration easier across different teams. In terms of programming languages, Symantec Kernel supports development in C# with Net 8 or higher, Python version 3.1 or above, and Java with JDK 17 or newer. This variety means developers can choose their preferred language, making it accessible regardless of your background or existing tech stack. All these features combined highlight how Symantec Kernel is designed to be versatile and developer-friendly, fitting into a range of projects and environments, ultimately empowering you to build intelligent AI agents efficiently. Let's discuss the environment setup and prerequisites. First, using Docker is highly recommended, especially for advanced tools like vector storage solutions, such as Qdrant. This approach is particularly useful when you're dealing with complex data storage needs, as it helps keep everything organized and manageable. Next, if you plan to run AI models locally, setting up LM Studio can be a big help. While it's optional, it can significantly enhance your development capabilities by providing a dedicated environment for model management. Moving on, I suggest using Visual Studio Code with the Net Extension Pack for your Net projects. This setup offers a robust environment for coding and debugging, making your development process smoother. Now, regarding programming languages, you'll need to install Python 3.1 or higher, Net 8 or higher, or Java JDK 17 or higher. These versions are essential to ensure your projects run smoothly and are compatible with the tools we're using. Lastly, it's important to have a compatible operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Ensuring your OS is one of these guarantees compatibility with the frameworks and tools needed for this setup. All these steps are foundational to building and deploying your intelligent AI agents effectively within this Symantec Kernel framework. Let's talk about installing the Symantec Kernel. First, for Python users, it's important to note that the package isn't available through Conda channels, so you'll need to rely on pip for installation. Simply open your terminal and run the command pip install Symantec Kernel. Moving on to platform support, Symantec Kernel is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. This cross-platform capability really helps developers work seamlessly across different operating systems, making integration smoother regardless of your environment. For Java developers, you can download the latest release and add it directly to your project dependencies. This way, you can easily incorporate Symantec Kernel into your Java applications. If you're working with Net, the recommended approach is to use NuGet packages. Install both Microsoft, Symantec Kernel, and Microsoft, Symantec Kernel, connectors, OpenAI to get started. This ensures you have the essential components for building intelligent AI agents. To summarize, whether you're using Python, Java, or Net, there are straightforward ways to install Symantec Kernel, and the key takeaway is its broad compatibility across platforms. This flexibility is what makes it so powerful for building intelligent AI solutions. Let's start with the basics of project initialization and kernel setup. First, it's important to create a new project folder. This helps keep your work organized from the very beginning. Once you have your folder, you'll initialize your codebase using the Net Console template. You can do this with a simple command, .NET New Console, my Symantec Kernel agent. This sets up a solid foundation for your AI agent project. Next, you'll create a kernel object. Think of this as the central hub of your AI agent. It manages all the AI services and plugins, making sure everything works together smoothly. Setting up this kernel is a crucial step because it forms the backbone of your intelligence system. Now, to give your agent real capabilities, you'll integrate connectors for different AI providers like OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, or Llama. These connectors are what allow your agent to tap into powerful AI models and functionalities. Without them, your agent wouldn't be able to perform complex tasks or generate meaningful responses. Security is also key. Instead of hard-coding API keys directly into your source code, you should store them securely using environment variables or a env file. This approach keeps your keys safe and makes it easier to manage different environments or update keys when needed. Finally, this setup is designed with growth in mind. By adopting a modular approach, you can easily expand and update your agent over time. This ensures your project remains scalable, maintainable, and adaptable to future needs. Creating and using plugins and prompts is a powerful way to extend the capabilities of your AI. Building intelligent AI agents with Symantec Kernel involves creating modular components called plugins. One key idea here is that functions can call each other, allowing you to piece together complex skills from smaller, manageable parts. This approach makes developing advanced functionalities much more efficient. For example, a job search plugin might include files like skprompt, txt, and config, JSON. These files define what the plugin does and how it's configured, making it easy to understand and manage. When building plugins, it's helpful to group related functions together. This promotes reusability and keeps your code organized and maintainable. Additionally, writing clear, descriptive function names along with straightforward parameters is considered best practice. Keep your parameters simple and avoid abbreviations that might cause confusion later. Remember, plugins are essentially collections of functions that add new skills to your AI agent. They can be coded directly or created as prompt templates stored in folders with configuration files, making them flexible and easy to deploy. Let's talk about the different storage options available when building intelligent AI agents with Symantec Kernel. You can choose storage solutions like Azure Blobs, local disks, vector databases, or even use the built-in memory serverless for simpler projects. These options are designed to meet various project needs and complexities, giving you flexibility depending on what you're working on. Memory storage is primarily for processed facts and searchable knowledge. It helps your agent retrieve and utilize information more effectively, making the system smarter over time. On the other hand, content storage is used for raw data and documents, acting as a repository for unprocessed information. Now, both types of memory, content storage and memory storage, play crucial roles in enhancing your agent's intelligence. Memory enables it to recall facts, past actions, or files, which improves its ability to learn and adapt. And finally, let's touch on planners. They are essential for breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, often incorporating checks and loops to ensure everything runs smoothly. Examples include sequential and handlebars planners, which help structure complex workflows efficiently. Let's explore how we can build more advanced AI agents by incorporating multiple personas. These agents can work together to handle complex workflows smoothly, making the entire process more efficient. To keep things flexible, we separate persona instructions from the core code, often using formats like YAML or prompt templates. This separation makes it much easier to update how the agent behaves without rewriting everything. We also enhance our AI agents with additional skills, such as memory, planning, and the ability to use tools. These capabilities allow the agents to perform more sophisticated and nuanced tasks, bringing greater effectiveness to their roles. Another important aspect is setting the tone of voice. Whether you want your AI to sound formal, casual, or friendly, customizing the tone helps ensure that the communication aligns with user expectations and the overall interaction style. Finally, defining specific personas is key. You can tailor behaviors by establishing roles and styles, for example, creating a fact-checking assistant or a friendly teacher. This way, each AI agent can be specialized to fit the particular needs of your application, making the overall experience more personalized and effective. Let's take a closer look at how workflows operate within the Symantec kernel. Essentially, workflows are sequences of steps that the kernel manages, linking together plugins and planners to create a smooth process. Each step is typically a class or function, and they are connected through events, which help trigger transitions from one step to the next. This event-driven approach makes our workflows dynamic and responsive. The kernel doesn't just run these steps blindly. It handles execution, manages errors, performs retries when needed, and can even stop workflows if certain conditions are met. This robust management ensures that our workflows are resilient and can adapt to unexpected issues, which is crucial for maintaining reliability in complex AI operations. To give you a concrete example, consider a loan application process implemented in C#. Here, each step, like collecting applicant info, verifying details, or approving the loan, is triggered by specific events. When one step completes, an event prompts the transition to the next, keeping the process flowing seamlessly. Now, to handle more complex jobs, we incorporate planners and memory into our workflows. These tools help automatically fix mistakes and ensure the process runs smoothly, even if unexpected problems arise. They add a layer of intelligence that makes our workflows more reliable. Ultimately, the kernel provides a structured way to manage these workflows efficiently. It ensures that every step is executed properly, errors are addressed promptly, and the whole process remains adaptable and robust. This is key to building intelligent AI agents that can operate reliably in real-world scenarios. Now, let's look at the impact of task automation with Symantec Kernel agents. These intelligent agents are designed to handle repetitive tasks such as reading documents, providing Level 1 support, and cleaning data, freeing up human resources for more strategic work. In the sales area, engineering teams have seen a significant boost, about 23%, thanks to smart assistants that streamline their workflows. Similarly, search quality has improved dramatically by 74%, thanks to these intelligent tools helping refine search results and enhance user experience. In healthcare, AI agents are making a real difference by reducing paperwork time by 80%. This means doctors can spend more time with patients rather than being bogged down by administrative tasks. And when we look at the return on investment, Microsoft reports that for every dollar spent on automation, organizations are seeing between $3.70 and $10 in value. This highlights not only the efficiency gains, but also the substantial financial benefits of adopting these AI-driven solutions. Overall, these use cases demonstrate how Symantec Kernel-powered agents are transforming industries by boosting productivity, improving quality, and delivering impressive ROI, all aligned with our broader goal of building smarter, more efficient AI systems. Now, let's talk about how workflow integration and business connectivity play a crucial role in building intelligent AI agents with Symantec Kernel. These connections are fundamental because they enable our agents to scale securely while maintaining operational integrity. Essentially, they make sure that as our systems grow, they remain safe and reliable. This integration also helps ensure that business rules and workflows are executed safely, so we can trust that our automation processes are consistent and compliant. It's about creating a secure foundation for all our operational activities. Furthermore, these connected agents can collaborate effectively by sharing jobs and solving problems together through integrated workflows. This fosters teamwork among our AI agents and significantly enhances the efficiency of our business processes. Collaboration isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a key driver of productivity. When it comes to integration options, we have several powerful tools at our disposal, including the A2A protocol, Azure AI Foundry, and the Kind workflow engine. These tools provide robust solutions for connecting workflows and scaling our operations seamlessly. Symantec Kernel also integrates effortlessly with Microsoft Logic apps, offering over 1,400 connectors. This extensive connectivity allows us to integrate with a wide variety of business tools without hassle, making our automation both flexible and comprehensive. Finally, connecting AI agents to external workflows and business tools opens up new levels of automation. Agents can trigger workflows with events, call APIs, and follow business rules safely, all while operating within a secure and scalable environment. This integration truly empowers us to build smarter, more connected automation solutions that support our overall digital transformation journey. Let's take a moment to look at some frequently asked questions and final tips for building intelligent AI agents with Symantec Kernel. First, when you're setting up your teams, it's really helpful to assign different personas to different agents. This way, each agent can specialize and collaborate more effectively. Communication between agents is also crucial, so enabling event-based communication allows for smooth collaboration and coordination. When it comes to enabling memory in your agents, you have a couple of options. You can add memory storage like memory serverless, which is easy to set up, or connect to vector databases for more robust memory functionality. This helps your agents remember past interactions and improve over time. Security is always a priority, so remember to store your API keys securely. The best practice is to keep them in environment variables or use env files, rather than hard-coding them directly into your code. This way, your keys stay safe and your code remains secure. Updating your kernel to switch AI models is straightforward and doesn't require rewriting your entire agent. It's as simple as updating the configuration, allowing you to experiment with different models seamlessly. Finally, adding new skills is an important part of expanding your agent's capabilities. You can create plugins either through code or prompt templates, and then register them with the kernel. This process makes it easy to enhance your agents with new skills and functionalities, ultimately making them more versatile and powerful. And with that, I hope these tips help you refine and optimize your AI agents effectively.